Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Easy Craft Videos. I hope you all fine. In this collection you see the beautiful centerpieces ideas of the Easter. Easter wreath designs and Easter decoration are available on my YouTube channel. And if you like my channel, that is the Easy Craft Videos, one of the best channel that provide you ease in each and every decoration. Wids are so stunning and so adorable and easily available and amazing collection and amazing designs. So watch my video to like my video and to share my videos. Crafts are so stunning, so amazing, and I think this collection is very useful for you.